piecewise defined function. Okay, let's say we're given this piecewise defined function, and they want us to graph this piecewise defined function. So to graph this given, you put f of x equals to 5x minus 4, and the other one is f of x equals to x. F of x equals to 5x minus 4 is equivalent to y equals to 5x minus 4. To graph this linear equation, get 2 points for it. So the first point to plug in is 1, because the given says right here, x is less than or equal to 1. So I choose 1. If I put 1 into the original equation and solve for it, 5 times 1 is 5 minus 4 equals to 1. Another point I could choose is negative 2 and plug it into the original equation, and the y will become negative 14. As for this one, I choose 1 for the x. So if I plug in 1 for the x, the y will be 1. Why did I choose 1? Because right here, x has to be greater than 1, but I could always choose the 1 right here, because it's given. And then the other number for this equation is 2. So 2, plug it into the x, the y becomes 2. So these are the 2 points for this function. So to graph it, for this function, I'll go 1 to the right and then up 1. The second point is 2 to the right and up 2. And it should be an open circle right here. See, because the given says x is greater than 1 without an equal sign. So the dot for that one should be open circle. And then it goes to the right here, because the restriction says the x has to be greater than 1 from the given. So it'll be, you connect this dot, and then you will get this function. The reason it's closed right here is because the second restriction is less than or equals to 1. That's why it's being closed. If the given only asks you to graph this one, f of x without the top, just the bottom, like f of x equals to x if x is greater than 1, then the circle will be open right here. The dot right here should be open, like an empty circle, because the given says is greater than 1. So the second graph is the f of x equals to 5x minus 4. Get 2 points for it, and it'll be like this. So graph it. So if I go, let's say, 1 to the right and up 1, 1 to the right and up 1, the point will be right here. The second one will be negative 2 and negative 2, so it's negative 1, negative 2, and to negative 14, which is down here. And you connect here, the first point to the second point, and you will get the function with the restriction of x has to be less than or equals to 1. So you see, the restriction has to be less than or equals to 1, so it will go to the right. It will never go after the 1 to the right. It will go to the left. And notice it's being it closes the circle right here. So this is the answer for this given piecewise defined function.